Snowstorm chaos reigns in the latest 165 shocking car accident moments of 2025, where drivers seem to think they're in a video game. Picture this: icy windshields obstructing views, reckless lane changes, and a police chase kicking off right after a snowstorm. The madness doesn't stop there. Imagine SUVs flipping and loose wheels bouncing off cars, turning tiny mistakes into epic disasters. In a standout moment, a security guard, clearly lacking in training, becomes a cautionary tale, adding to the hilarity of the situation. This compilation is a must-watch for anyone who gets a kick out of accidents born from pure carelessness.